god.
Weird.
It didn't eat it fry.
Get close.
What the hell? It didn't eat it, man.
Alright, cool, man. You have enough time to go to the house, grab music, come back here, get your cousin from KOP, and all that kind of stuff and see this.
Hell, it didn't eat it, man.
Where's she going? Like,
I don't know where you're going.
different angles.
It's in fucking Philadelphia, man. Upper Darby.
That's not a.
Yeah, it's an owl and this. Oh my!
I ain't never seen that bird
Still
before.
didn't eat it.
That bird like a kid.
That thing is dead. Eat it, man.
No, I must wait.
Still like hungry, man. It's fucking. Oh, come on.
He just hanging him by his head, just.
He came back with like a big behind like stationary cameras. Come on closer a little bit. The closer you get, the better it is. That bird over there looked like it came all the way from the jungle just to do this. What's
This
up?
is my next Facebook status.
It's dead, man. Eat it.
Oh yeah, I do.
Shit, I don't got the good image.
Anyone have a Facebook app? I can.
Oh, here it is. Here's a good image of the owl.
No, it's cool. It's cool.
Squirrel. Sick.
Alright, you didn't get to eat it if you didn't.
No, I'm not leaving it until I see it again. No, okay. No, it's not okay.
Warren, let it go.
No, it's one thing to see this on TV, okay? If you see that shit happen in real life,
I know, right?
and you have something to tell your grandchildren, you'll be black. You what you
Granddad, you crazy.
I'm just gonna eat it until you leave. It's not. It's not gonna eat it.